Hello everybody, I'm back again. Here's the other digital Arctic King 5000 BTU air conditioner. Unfortunately, I can only show one side because there's a whole collab of stuff in here. So, yeah, it's a hot mess in here. So, anyways, yeah. Here's the it's got the other wing on the other side, but I can't show that. It's got a what is there? GMCC rotary in there? Yeah. Apparently, we got a GMCC. But I mean, hey, got the louvers. It's moldy inside of here. So yeah, I'll read that. Anyways, we have model WWK plus 05 CR5, 1.2 volts, 60 hertz, single phase, 5000 BTU, 11.0 SEER, 11.2 ounces of EER, 4.0 amps, 10.58 ounces of R410A. Awesome stuff. Anyways, try it out. Low fan. Point it at me because I need the medium fan. High fan. Alrighty. For the moment of truth, low cool. Here we go. Low cool. Not warm just yet. Not cold either. But it's not freaking darn kicking on. So yeah, I'll leave the camera right here. I'm gonna be back. I need to move something. Put it right here just in case if it kicks on when I'm done. Put it right there. I'm gonna move this stuff so I can actually get back here. GMCC rotary compressor. Anyways, too. Sorry, it lost its filter. I think it's in horrible shape. Worst shape a unit has ever been in, so yeah. I was going to try to move this one here with the other ones. Medium cool. That's getting warm. High cool. Energy saver off. Low cool again. Could you hear that GMCC rotary? The other side. And yes, we do have a Welling in here, so yeah, don't even ask. It's Energy Star rated. And this one's dirty as heck. Just worse than the other one. Crap. Don't want to breathe that stuff in. It looks just like the other one. That's getting cold. Try medium cool. Again. High cool. I don't want this moldy thing. That's ice cold. Here it is. GMCC rotary running. Medium cool. Yeah, I think it's working. I think it's ice cold. It is ice cold. It's not condensating at all. That's ice cold though. Dang, the unit. Let's go back to local. Doesn't smell anymore. So it's working. For sure. That's ice cold, bro. So, yeah. But I do know. But it is ice cold. It's running. Sounds healthy, you know? That's ice cold. That's hot. Don't touch it. We get cool again. High cool. And low cool again. That's ice cold. It's got it. Like I said, you can hear that GMCC road. Oh, it's got this wet too. Didn't even notice that when I came over here. Just a tiny bit. It's not condensating, which I love watching them condensate. These cheap garbage thingies. These are garbage. Well, they're good, they cool and all that, but they're just cheap, you know? It's like, come on. They're like freaking $60 at Walmart. I'm sorry, $100. That's cheap, you know? We'll go through medium cool. Again. High cool. Okay, so it's running. It's getting nice. It's getting ice cold. It's ice cold already. Holy cow. I'm surprised. Alright, my flash just turned off. I don't know why. But yeah. See this? The green digits here. See the green working digits. So, yeah. Okay, so I just stuck my finger inside of here and the coil's cold. That's ice cold. The back is warm. Yeah. Anyways, show this again. Medium cool again. High cool. Back to low cool. Alrighty. And we'll shut her down. Alright, you guys, so we'll see if it kicks back on. Money Saver keeps coming on. That is the 2014 Arctic King 5000 BTU air conditioner. So anyways, goodbye.